Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti and I create videos based on beauty, skincare and lifestyle. If that sounds interesting, please consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So today's video is going to be about Bath & Body Works, my top 5 fragrance mists from Bath & Body Works. I have been purchasing from Bath & Body Works from a long time now, and in my opinion, all the fragrances, most of the fragrances that gets launched in the West does not launch here in the UAE. So I'll be starting from my 5th place all the way up till my top 1. So before starting the video, I also wanted to let you know that I am basically a sweet fragrance lover. I love my gourmand scents and other sweet fragrances, even woody scents, but it should be sweet enough for me to like it. So that is my fragrance preference. So align with me, can watch my videos and pick up your favorites as well. I'm not a florally, I like fruity fragrances, but not that much as much as how I prefer my sweet fragrances. So yeah, I just wanted to put it out there so that you can vibe with me in case you're also a sweet fragrance lover. So let's get started. My 5th position from all the Bath & Body Works mists I've ever tried goes to this one right here. This is the Whipped Rose and Vanilla fragrance. You can see it's almost over. I have got a backup of this. So how it smells like is basically a rosy and vanilla fragrance with cacao notes as well. So let me just read the fragrance notes for you. It has notes of crushed rose petals, cocoa flower and whipped foam. So yeah, it's a very nice fragrance. I've heard that this is a dupe of Roses Vanille from Mancera, I believe. This gets the 5th place in my ranking. So this is Whipped Rose and Vanilla. So now coming on to my 4th position. This fragrance has come out many times. I think 2 or 3 times now, and I really like this fragrance. I think this is the first time that this fragrance has come out that I purchased this. After that, I have not rebought it. I have not bought it again. So yeah, this is the fragrance called Sunrise Woods. This is the first packaging it had, I believe 2 to 3 years back. And now I think it has re-released and released, but I don't think this fragrance is released again in UAE, but this has been released in the West many times after that. So this also, as you can see, a very little is left. I told you I have not rebought this again. I have not bought this again. So the fragrance notes in this are creamy sandalwood, sweet berries and cozy cashmere. This is a very woody kind of a fragrance, but it's a sweet woody kind of a fragrance because it has got that sandalwood and cashmere. Cashmere is a note I enjoy in many fragrances. It makes the fragrance very soft and sweet, kind of cozy kind of a fragrance. That is normally the fragrance that I prefer. So I love this. This is Sunrise Woods. Next up on our list, my 3rd place goes to this one right here. This is Fireside Flurries. This is also a woody, smoky kind of a scent with a little bit of lavender in it. I really love this fragrance. This is the bottle. Please excuse me for this packaging because when I take them to India, because this cap is not that sturdy, I cover it up with a masking tape or any tape of that kind and then I take it. So that's why this, please excuse this. But otherwise, this fragrance I have been using very sparingly. Because I'm not sure whether it will get released or not. So yeah, so this is called Fireside Flurries. So the notes for this fragrance are toasted marshmallow, pink lavender and cashmere wood. So like I told you, it's a very sweet fragrance with a toasted marshmallow. Oh, so too much of sweetness, and it is toasted. So like by the campfire, that smoky feeling is there. Then also it has got lavender and cashmere woods. I told you I'm a fan of cashmere. So you will see that throughout this video. So this fragrance gets the top 3, the 3rd place in my ranking. So this is Fireside Flurries from Bath & Body Works. So the runner-up fragrance in my ranking goes to a fragrance which I have started trying very recently because it was launched for the first time during the last quarter, I should say, or maybe the last half of 2023. So I had smelled this fragrance before, but I did not purchase it until it was the semi-annual sale of 2023 in the UAE. That is when I purchased this. I love this fragrance. It's so sweet. I had tried one of their chargels from the same range and I loved it. That's when I went and bought in the fragrance and a couple of backup for the chargels. So this fragrance right here, this is the 2nd position in my list. This is called Emerald Mist, if you can see. Yeah, this is the fragrance. As you can see, it's just little used up, but I really love the fragrance. And like I told you, I'd already used a shower gel and I have finished the entire tub. That is when I realized I really love this fragrance. I need to pick up a fragrance mist for the same, and that's why I bought it. So the fragrance note in this includes fresh rainfall, sun-kissed pear, and blonde woods. Actually, to be honest, reading the notes, I did not think that I will like this fragrance, because rainfall is not a fragrance, that kind of a fragrance which I usually like. And the second one was pear, which I have never liked in a fragrance before. So this was my first. The only saving factor for me was blonde woods. That too, it was not cashmere woods. So I was not actually sure whether I will like it. But once I sniffed it, oh my goodness, I really loved it. So I picked it up. So this is Emerald Mist from Bath & Body Works at my number 2 spot. So my first place in this ranking goes to my number 1 favorite. This actually is not a very projecting scent, and it lasts a decent amount of time, like 2 to 3 hours, because that is all what you can expect from a Bath & Body Works mist usually. Not actually, generally with mist itself, it's not that concentrated, but yeah, I can tell you with my experience that some of the Bath & Body Works mists really last long. Like, to name a few, You Are the One or Into the Night, those which I have tried stay really long. But this fragrance stays for 2 to 3 hours, and it's generally a cozy scent, just to, while sleeping, just to calm you down. It's that kind of fragrance. If you put it outside, I don't think it'll stay for, much, it'll get that longevity. But I really love this fragrance, and I'm always scared of running out of this. So my number 1 fragrance from Bath & Body Works goes to this one right here. This is Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is a beautiful fragrance. It's a very, breezy, airy kind of a scent. I really love this scent. You can see how much I've used it. I've used this one very sparingly, because I've had this for more than, I think, 2 years now, and I'm using it very sparingly actually, because I don't want to, let go of it. So going to the scent, the fragrance notes are vanilla, cashmere cream. I'm a die-hard fan of vanilla fragrances. The second note is caramel woods, like I told you, caramel woods, cashmere woods, and frosted clementine. So frosted clementine, I can get a bit of it, a drop maybe, that's it. It's not a clementine or a fruity fragrance as such. It's very cozy, it's very cashmere, that kind of a fragrance is what comes to my mind. I really love this fragrance. And even the packaging is unbelievably good. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's full of snowflakes, and it's a very pretty packaging. It is actually how this packaging looks like. It's very breezy, airy, very soft, and very fluffy, and it's very cute packaging, and that kind of a fragrance. It's not very loud and a showstopper, nothing like that. So it's just this is my top favorite ever of all the releases that have ever released in Bath & Body Works. There are fragrances which I wish Bath & Body Works launched here in UAE. For example, last year, I think, Wrapped in Vanilla, there was a scent that was released in the West. I really wished they launched that here in the UAE. They didn't. And they also had Ice Lemon Pound Cake, for which I have tried, because that fragrance comes out even in candles and hand washes, soaps. So I have tried it in hand soaps, and I really love the scent, and I wish they would bring that back. And another scent I want in big size is Iced Cinnamon Rolls. That also, even that one I have tried the hand soap. I know that have been released in the mini variant, but unfortunately I could not get my hands on it. So yeah, they have released many fragrances which I really wished was launched here in the UAE, but they don't. I don't know why, but they don't release as much of the scents that get released there. So I would urge, if Bath & Body Works is watching, I don't think they will watch because I'm such a small YouTuber. But in case someone is watching who can, have an influence to bring all these scents, nice scents, we also should need that variety here. We will also wholeheartedly buy them. So yeah, if that gets released, good for us. Otherwise, we just, from the limited selections that we have, we will pick our best anyway. So yeah, out of all the fragrances, this was my number 1, Snowflakes and Cashmere. So yeah, that ends my top 5 from Bath & Body Works. Please do let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed my top 5, and please do let me know what are the videos you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you again. Bye bye.